turn research into blog posts automatically using Claude.
Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn research into blog posts automatically using Claude AI.
So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open Claude AI in your browser and log in to your account. After that, gather the research material you want to convert into a blog post. This could be notes, research papers, articles, or bullet points. Now, copy the research text that you want Claude to transform into a blog post. Next, paste the research content into the Claude chat box. After pasting the content, add a prompt telling Claude what you want it to do with the research. For example, you can write, "Turn the following research into a well-structured blog post with a catchy title, introduction, subheadings, and a clear conclusion." Now press Enter so Claude can analyze the research. Within a few seconds, Claude will generate a complete blog post based on your research. If you want to improve it, you can ask Claude to rewrite the post in a different tone, make it more SEO-friendly, or shorten or expand certain sections. You can also ask Claude to add keywords, FAQs, or a call to action to make the blog post better for publishing. Finally, copy the generated blog post and paste it into your website editor, blog platform, or document. That's all for the video.